First, I'm going to start by using an alcohol pad to prep my nails. This will dehydrate the nail and take off any dirt, oil, or debris so that when we put on the press-ons, they have more longevity and can stick really well. I go in with my Melody Susie at about 1,500 rotations per minute to buff the shine off of my nails, which will also make the press-on stick better. Be sure to be gentle so that you don't damage your natural nail. You can find the link to the Melody Susie in the description. If you don't have access to an e-file, using a regular sanding filer is still perfect. Just be gentle. Then I use a nail dust brush to brush off any debris that came off my nails from filing. There is a link to this below as well. Then I clean my nails once more with the alcohol pads to get any debris I missed. Now I will pull out my appropriate nail sizes and pre-organize them to make the process of gluing them on easier. I already know my nail sizes and I wrote them down on the card. My advice is make sure that the nails are not too tight because they'll make your fingers uncomfortable. When in doubt, size up on your nails because you'll be able to file them anyway. These nail tips can also be found in the description. I take my e-file on 1,500 rotations per minute again, and I lightly sand the inside of my nails. I noticed that this original size sander that I was using was too big for my pinky nail, so I changed it to the pointy sander. I don't know what the specific term is called, but it fit inside of the small nail easier. But you want to buff the shine off the inside of the nails as well, again, for more added cohesion and longevity for your press-ons. I changed back to the original filer because for the bigger nails, it's just easier to use the bigger filer and just overall more efficient. Now I am gluing the nails on. This nail glue came from some old press-ons, nothing specific. I first put nail glue on my fingers, really just towards the middle, and then on my nail tip, I put glue on the edges of the nails. I do this to evenly distribute the glue, so when I apply the nail tip to my natural nail, there is less likely to be spillage. This ensures that the nail will be fully bonded by hitting all of these areas. When I apply the press-on, I gently slide the press-on onto my natural nail so the press-on can exactly meet where my cuticle is to give the most natural look instead of placing it on top of my cuticle. Then I proceed to hold down the nail tip until I can tell that when I take the pressure off the nail, the glue does not move. You should not see any movement of the glue once you take your fingers off. If you see movement, apply more pressure. Wait 10 more seconds, then check again to make sure. Some nails will fit just right onto your fingertips, and these nails you need to apply a little less pressure because once you have them on for some time, they may get uncomfortable. You can see me here going in with the edge of this alcohol pad to wipe off some excess glue. Use any cornered object to wipe off excess glue, or when you paint your nails, you'll be able to see where the glue was. Work quickly when you do this. Now I will use a nail cutter to get my desired length. This is also linked down in the description. If you would like to achieve this exact length, I cut off about half of the nail tip. Then I compared the nail that I already cut to my uncut nails to ensure that they are the same length. They don't have to perfectly be the same length because you can always go in with a file and make them the same length. These nails tend to curve a little bit, so I go in with a file to make them straight because that's just the style that I like. So here I am just showing you how they look on my nails, and in my opinion, when you file them, they give a much more natural look. I shaped my nails off camera because this video was more for application purposes. I will link a video below in my description of a tutorial teaching you how to shape the nails. And here are the nails after me painting them. I took a light pink and mixed it with a clear to give me a baby blush look. That was what I was going for. I used the Beetles gel polish kit. I will link this below in the description. These nails were so beautiful. I was so excited. Here's the finished product that I posted on my Instagram story. Follow me on Instagram at lady.opulence. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if this was helpful and subscribe if you want to see more.